Happy Friday, West Riding fans. And we've got a very, very, very special new arrival for you today. It's grey and it's miserable out in West Riding world. West Riding. But today, something to brighten it up. We've got this absolutely awesome 1971 Morris Minor Traveller, finished in Old English white. It's absolutely superb. It's a full restoration, not fresh out of the box, but it has been fully restored. As you can see, the paintwork's absolutely excellent. It's got that aftermarket sun visor on there, which is a steel one, which is quite rare. They're usually the fiberglass aftermarket ones, but that's all steel, so that's a nice touch. The ash frame, as you can see, is absolutely superb. There's the odd little mark on it, but it's more or less, and I'm saying more or less, as new. Not perfect, because as you always know, and I'm sure you're all getting very bored of me saying it, we never describe anything as perfect, because nothing's perfect. So, absolutely excellent condition in the wood, as you can see. The paint's absolutely excellent, as you can see. Again, look. Lovely shine to it. No rust bubbles, no nastiness. There's the odd little blemish here and there on it, but more than acceptable. It's definitely take it to local show and come away with a trophy condition, which I'm sure you're getting bored of me saying that now, but it seems that we're selling on more and more higher caliber cars these days that are like local show winning quality. So nice and clean. Interior wise, obviously nice and clean on the door reveals. You can still see all the spot welds and that, so there's no nastiness there. You've got the upgrade temperature and oil pressure gauges, which is a nice touch. It saves you blowing the engine up with no oil in, as one customer of ours did recently. Lovely new headlining. As I say, reclining seats, which are a nice touch. Saves you back, and you can move them backwards and forwards. Nice clean dash, glove box liners and that are all good in it. Rear seats, perfect, all being retrimmed. All the interior timber trims are all nice as well. Really, really, really nice clean car. Nice new carpets in her. And being a later 1971 car, as you probably know, it's got the keys down on the steering column because it's got a steering lock on it, as they made for the last year of production of the Travellers. Well, and the vans and pickups as well. Showing 33,610 miles. And I will start her up for you. I'm going to look for the key there. So, as I say, keys are down here on the steering column. It's a two-stage ignition. Start her up. She runs and drives really nice. Interior cars, door pulls and everything are all as you'd expect of a car of this standard, which is very high, as you can see. It's lovely. Inside, wing top's all nice, bonnet's all nice. There you go. So the engine bay is nice and clean. Engine's nice and clean. It's got a servo upgrade, alternator on her as well. So you've got better charging for your battery from the alternator. Servo assisted brakes, which helps your braking effort. Structurally, it's very, very, very good. As you can see, the inner wings, flitches, tie plates, bulkhead are all nice and clean. No rust or rot. All the chrome's really nice. There's no bubblings at the bottom of the doors, or bubbling, not bubblings. Lovely interior. Really, really, really good car. They don't come along too often, and to be fair, good Travellers are like hen's teeth at the minute. They're really hard to come by. We're struggling to get hold of them, and we have certainly kissed a lot of frogs recently and been and looked at a lot that are rotten underneath. The wood's nasty. We've got engines that are shot at, whereas this one is really good all round. You can buy it from us with confidence, as you can with all our cars. 3-month warranty. It's got it'll have 12 months MOT on it. It will also have a full service before it goes. So, WRCC, Yorkshire Minor Centre, that's obviously us. You can give us a call on 01422 881221. It's 01422 881221 with regards to further details. It's also going to be on at www.westridingclassics.co.uk probably later today, if not after the weekend. And that's it really. We'll take Morris Minor's trading. It's a really nice car, as you can see. And then, just as a special bonus to the video, I'll give you a quick look at one of our projects. So, there you go, in the showroom. Somebody asked us to do a showroom walk round. So, we've got this full build pickup that we have done. It's just the little bits and pieces of painted bits to put on the new fuel tank, but that's full new build on a Golf chassis. Absolutely out of this world condition. New engine, new gearbox, and new interior, as you can see. Absolutely superb. So if you're wanting a brand new, better than brand new pickup, we've got that. That's on at 30,000. We've got my wife's Million, which everybody loves, so there you go. We've got that one, which is for sale, but we've just recommissioned that for a customer. We've got the maroon convertible. We've got the 1275 convertible. That's going to be going up for sale soon, so if you want a 1275 convertible, give us a call about that. We've also got the almond green Traveller project. That's for sale. If you have a look at that, that's going to make a very nice car. It's got a gold seal engine in it, and it's a full West Riding refurb, as you can see. We've got the Mini, which everybody loves. Everybody that's come into contact with that loves that. We've got the smoke grey two-door, that's still for sale. We've got the white four-door, and we have also got the white two-door, which are all for sale. So if you have a quick look round the showroom, you can see we've got some absolutely awesome stuff, and you should be coming and having a look. Come and visit us and come and have a look around the showroom, and we'll put the kettle on for you. Thanks, guys.